Alright people, we decided to do something a little different today. So we're up in the Uintas, not doing kind of an overnight camping, backpacking trip like we normally do. Kind of just took the scenic drive up on a Sunday. Gonna hit a couple spots a little bit more accessible along the road that are probably a little bit more popular and not as hard to access. So we'll see how that goes. That has its ups and its downs, but gonna start right now with Ruth Lake. It's about a mile hike right off the highway. There's a good amount of cars here, so we'll see how crowded it is. Hopefully catch a couple fish, get a nice relaxing hike in, and come back and then hit a couple more spots. But here on Mirror Lake Scenic Highway, weather's beautiful. It's about 70 right now. Snow is continuing to kind of go away, it looks like. Probably won't hit too many rivers. They're still flowing super hard from all the snow melt. But it's just gorgeous out here, so see you up on the trail. This one's a little bit bigger. Got a chunk taken out of them. this beautiful little size 16 mosquito. Gorgeous tiger. Got tiger number 6 on. Gorgeous. Just got done fishing past Lake. It's the first time I've ever come here. It's one of those with a lot of cars right by the highway. Kind of found a nice calm spot. It's been pretty windy, but found a corner without wind. Threw a dry mosquito. Caught probably 7 or 8 tigers in about an hour. Pretty successful, but wind picked up. A lot of people here, very loud. Dogs jumping in the water, paddle boards, all that kind of fun stuff. So I'm gonna go try out a new spot and we'll see what stumble on next. White caps. All right, folks, gonna call it a day. Hiked up to Ruth in the morning. A couple bites. Didn't catch anything though. We went to Pass Lake for the first time. Caught about 8-9 tigers. Pretty quick. All within an hour. Pretty crowded there. Then I was gonna hit one more spot, but drove by Mirror Lake, Trial Lake, and now I'm at Washington. And all three of the parking is pretty much full. Just giant wind gusts today, so it's like white caps out there. Not great for fly fishing, so we're gonna call it a weekend and head back on into the valley. See you next time.